Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making akamu, also known as Pap or Ogi. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. All I'm using for this recipe is water and akamu. The exact quantity of everything I use will be down in the description box below. So guys, I've already crushed the lumps of the akamu with a tablespoon. Now we add cold water to help me dissolve the lumps. The water has to be at room temperature, then mix it. I will keep mixing it till there are no lumps. After mixing it, this is how it looks. Aim for this consistency. Now we boil some water. Before I pour the hot water inside, I will stir it one more time because some of the akamu may have settled at the bottom of the bowl. I will pour the water slowly and keep stirring it round at the same time. When the akamu is getting thick, I'll keep stirring it round and continue pouring the water until I get the desired thickness that I want. If you want your akamu to be very thick, you stop pouring the water. But if you don't want it to be that thick, you continue pouring the water until you get the desired consistency that you want. So guys, this is how it looks. This is the end result of how I make my akamu. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.